Let's go camping.
In today's video, I go camping with my brother. We ride our motorbikes through stunning landscape, camp without a tent, cook up some tasty food, and have a great time. Stick around, it's going to be a good one.
Well guys, welcome to the new forest. Just arrived, now we just got to set up. Now we might have an issue, because we didn't bring a hammer and the ground looks hard. You may recognise this camp knife, so we're going to give that a go. It's working pretty well. If you want to see how I restored this camp knife, I'll leave a link in the description. Me and Jonathan were just discussing the camouflage aspect of my setup. You get far enough away from it and it just starts to disappear. I just hope nobody comes home back to the site later on and doesn't spot me when I'm inside my shelter. That's not as good, is it? Oh, right, we're all set up. Me and the stealth tent shelter. Jonathan's got his tent set up as well. Probably just going to take it easy for about 5-10 minutes and then go for a bit of a wander, I think. We have a little bit of an experiment for later on, so stay tuned for that. So the campsite we're staying on today is called Jubilee Camping in the New Forest. I'll link it in the description, but they don't actually open on a Thursday, which is when we've decided to come and visit. So there's nobody else here. We've been allowed to stay and the place is completely empty. Beautiful. So we've got some music on, some wood and a fire pit provided by the campsite. That's nice. Just wanted to show you a little bit of the setup that I've produced here with my janky pole. It's just a bivvy sheet or a tarp you could do this with. Pinned it to the ground, some pegs, and then just used a bit of paracord to attach it to the motorbike. It's a bit janky on the handlebar, but it's tight enough, and I can always strap it to the handlebars if needed. But not expecting any rain tonight, so the gaps shouldn't be any major concern. Jonathan's just popping off to the shop, get a few more supplies. The only thing is we brought loads of food and we brought drinks and stuff, but because we've packed obviously really light for the bikes, we don't have a lot of space for a cooler or anything like that. We've got a little cooler bag, but he's gone to go grab some ice. So Jonathan wrapped up some pizzas, some frozen pizzas, waited till the could bend a bit, wrapped them up, put them in tin foil, and we're going to put them on the fire. So we popped that on the coals, just going to leave it for about 15 minutes. Well, there we go. Campfire pizza burrito. Let's give it a try.
I think it's good.
Good. Brother made some hot sauce in Dubai. Brought it all the way over. It's good.
Oh.
Woo! Well, there you go. Hack approved. Roll up a pizza in tin foil on the campfire. 15 minutes. And there you go. Really nice camp-friendly meal.
I think these the last year these gloves are.
Well, that was delicious. I just wish I had another one. If you're in any doubt of this camp cooking hack working, you don't see people going in for seconds if it doesn't work. This is also molten, so I'm going to put this down for 2 minutes. You do run the risk of slight tin foil stickage. I think I bit into a bit of tin foil. Gave myself a free filling. Gonna have a little bit of dried mango for dessert.
I prefer dried banana.
That's dinner taken care of. I'm probably just going to chill out by the fire now for a bit. Enjoy the evening. So I just went to fill up my water bottle, and because this campsite's not officially open yet today, and because we're also not near any roads, any towns, it has got to be the quietest campsite I've ever been to. It might even be the quietest place I've ever been to. I mean, it's just nothing. A few birds tweeting in the trees, and just the literal definition of peace and quiet. great. I'm also hoping, because we've got quite clear skies tonight, that we might be able to see some stars. That'd be nice. So at the moment in the UK, it's really, really dry. We've had no rain for weeks, really. This campsite is still allowing fire pits, which is great for us, for our experience. But it is extremely dry. So underneath the fire pit, you can see it's quite brown. But we actually wet underneath the fire pit just to stop it from, you know, catching fire. So because of the extremely dry weather and having a fire pit, you know, be sensible with this sort of thing if you're out at the moment, and, you know, don't be lighting fires that could potentially spread and cause damage. It's just not worth it. I mean, you can see the grass is just extremely dry. Another interesting point about it is there's a gap in the trees just here, and the sun sets over there in the west, and you can see very, very clearly where the sun pokes through that gap in the trees, and where it's so much drier because of its exposure to the sun. Also, don't leave rubbish if you're out camping. It's, you know, it's just lazy. Leave no trace is always the best policy. Hot chocolate before bed. Pretty late. I'm off to bed. I'll see you guys in the morning. This is the worst part. Okay. Good morning.
Morning.
Slept pretty good. Sleep alright?
Yeah. You?
Oh.
It was pretty warm to start with, and then as the temperature dropped a little bit, it's really comfortable.
First attempt of campfire pancakes doesn't look pretty, but tastes good. Oh, that's way better. If you're wondering where the Freddie portion of Marshall and Freddie is this weekend, he's spending a little bit of time with his grandparents because it's a little bit warm for him at the moment in the UK. So I've sent him up north. He's on a little holiday. Hello, donkeys. Little donkeys. We had a nice time. It's a good spot. It's time to get packed up, get heading home. I don't know if you can hear that, but there's a Chinook flying above. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I had a great time making it with my brother. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to hit subscribe and like. And stick around for all the camping and DIY videos I've got coming out soon. Until next time.